Wait, don't go anywhere, because today I have brought with me the top 10 tricks of PU1 chapters. Okay, so these chapters, the topics that every KCET aspirants always ignores for two simple reasons. Number one, sir, they are of less weightage PU1 syllabus, and number two, sir, they were lengthy, they were tricky chapters, so I will rather focus my energy on others. Okay, but I am your teacher. I need to resolve this issue. For that, what did I do? I went and saw your syllabus. I did my research, and out of hundreds of tricks in your maths, I chose the 10 which will directly help you score marks in KCET examination. So if you are here to learn these 10 tricks and to solve questions in the examination, give me a thumbs up, give me a like in this video. Then I'll get to know that you want more of these such sessions. Okay, so let me know with a like, with the comment, what do you want from me in the sessions, in the series of KCET tricks. Okay, so if you're ready now, can we start the session? Can we see the number one trick? Yes, sir. Let's start the session right away with the trick number one. Here it is, on the complex number. Sir, I've never seen a trick on this question, sir. How do you find square root of 7 plus 24i? Okay, the chances of this question, will it come, sir, this question? We don't know that. But part of the syllabus, yes, can come. Okay, so how do we find this question, sir? How do we solve this question, sir? Will it take time? Of course, try solving it. It will take too much time to solve this question. Okay, but with the trick, we can solve in 10 seconds. But before I start the session, I have to tell you, there are many things planned right now. You have your PU2 to cover. Yes, you have to cover your PU1 portions also, because if you have a dream of getting into top 10 colleges, studying CS stream or whatever stream of your choice in the top 10 colleges of Karnataka, that can happen only if you score high, only if you have good rank in KCET. Okay, so you need to cover PU2 and PU1 portions, get good marks in PU2 boards also. Then you will have a question in your mind, sir, how do I cover up all these things? How do I plan what to cover when, which months to focus what? Okay, for that, do not worry about anything, because on our channel Deeksha Karnataka, we're gonna bring everything just to help you in that. You have to do just one thing: hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification button also, because if you forget to hit these two buttons right now, but there are good amount of chance that you might miss out on your dream college. I'm telling you, I'm being very fair. If you forget to hit the buttons right now, the subscribe and notification, there are chances that you might miss your dream college, and that we don't want that to happen. Okay, right now, so hit the subscribe button and notification. You cannot have backlogs, right? If you don't keep the notification turned on, you'll have backlogs and you'll have too much stress to cover in the last minute of your examination. So that's why follow my words, follow my instructions, and you will see how we are sailing through our preparations. Trick number one, how do you solve this question, sir? 7 plus 24i is there, right? Square root of this, simple trick, divide the 24 by 2. Listen to me, divide 24 by 2. What is this? Divide by 2, what do you get? 12. Okay, in this, make the factors of 12. So we have more than one pair. We have 3, 4, we have 2, 6, we have 1, 12 also. But pick those factors whose squares difference is the first term. Listen to me, pick those factors whose square difference is the first one. What is that? 16 minus 9, how much is this? 7. So your factors are 4 and 3. You'll go and write this as 4 plus 3i with the plus minus sign, because it is a square root. Your answer becomes option B. 10-second question, yes or no? Tell me, 10-second question, yes or no? Complex numbers. Okay, so this question I've never seen in KCET. Can come this year. You will see. Have you seen this question in KCET or not? Trick number 2. Have you seen this question or not? Yes, this kind of question comes in your KCET examination. Okay, so here you go. Whenever you have this form, z minus 1 upon z, z is a complex number equals to a value a. Z minus 1 upon z magnitude is equals to value a. Then they ask you to find what? Z max or z minimum. They ask you to find what? Maximum minimum value of the complex number. Have you seen questions like this? Yes, you have. Okay, then z max, z minimum is given by very simple, very simple, a plus minus root of a square plus 4 by 2. A plus minus root of a square plus 4 by 2. Check here. Which option will suit? A value in this case is going to be 1. So here's your answer. Here is your answer. 1 plus root of 5 by 2. Because you're going to write it over here, no? 1 plus minus root of 1 square is 1 plus 4 by 2. What is the answer? 1 plus 4 is 5. Why it is plus sign? Because it is max. If you want z min, this will become 1 minus root 5 by 2. Now choose the options. Z max, 1 plus root 5 by 2. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Isn't this way very easy? So apply this trick to solve a question where they're asking you, they have given this format in the problem and they're asking you to find the modulus, maximum or minimum modulus of a given complex number. Okay, so trick number 2 is clear. Next we're going to move on to trick number 3. This is going to be your last trick in your complex numbers, so please pay kind attention because this is going to be a very relevant question. When I solve this problem, you will say that this question actually is a P by Q. Let me see. What is W given as? W is a complex number. W is a complex number provided that Z modulus is 1 and Z is not equal to -1. Listen to me. Z modulus is 1. Modulus of a given complex number is 1 and it is not equal to -1, the given conditions. When that happens, W is given as Z minus 1, Z plus 1. We have to use here substitution method. Z equals to I. Z equals to I. Check here. It becomes I minus 1 upon I plus 1. Simply rationalize it and you'll get the answer like this. Check here. You'll get the answer like this. Z equals to I, you put. W will be 1 minus I upon 1 plus I. So you'll get what? 1 minus I. I plus 1, I minus 1, rationalize it, I minus 1 divided by I minus 1. Okay, so we get here I minus 1 the whole square, so I square plus 1 minus 2I divided by I square minus 1. I square minus 1, so we get here I square is nothing but minus 1, so this will cancel. Answer is minus 2I upon I square is again minus 1, so minus 2 cancels again. Value is I. So my value of W is coming as simply I. This is going to be your imaginary part. What are they asking? The real part of W. They're asking you the real part of W. Of course, W is nothing but 0 plus 1I. 0 plus 1I, hence the answer is option D. Hence the answer is option D. So these are the questions. Have you seen this form? 1 minus I upon 1 plus I, or I minus 1 upon I plus 1. This is a KCET P by Q. Okay, so this kind of question can come very useful on the complex numbers. Okay, we have one question from complex number. This can be there. So that's why please pay attention. Trick number 3 is over. Trick number 4. Acha, before I move on to trick number 4, what did we do in this? Simply take Z equals to I as my substitution. This makes things easier if the modulus is given as 1. We can do that, no? Modulus is 1 means, think about it. It can be either 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, or it can be what? It can be 0, 1, like that. So that's why I've taken Z as I. Getting it? If Z is I, what is the modulus of Z? If Z is I, bacha, what is mod of Z? It is 1 only, no? It is 1 only. Correct? Getting my point. Trick number 3 is done. Here it is, trick number 4. Now, these are actually your P by Qs. Means this question is not a P by Q, but this kind of question comes in the examination. KCET Comet K. Have you seen this problem? Latus rectum of parabola. Latus rectum of parabola. Very simple. We have two forms here. One of the form is y equals to x square by 4a. Have you seen this form? Same as this. Check here. Sir, we have another form x tan alpha. Doesn't matter. General form you know, right? The quadratic form y equal to x square by 4a. Okay? Or we have x equals to y square by 4a. These two forms are there. When you have that, when you have this form, the result is very simple for latus rectum. The result is very simple. Modulus. Why modulus? Because it is a length. Length will be always a positive value. Modulus y. So modulus will be coefficient. In this case, check here. This is x square. This is y. So the first form. This is your first form. Okay. So coefficient of y. Coefficient of y comes first. Divided by coefficient of x square and the modulus. What is it? Coefficient of y upon coefficient of x square, the modulus. Check here. So this is your answer right here. 1 upon, check the coefficient of y, x square over here, minus g upon 2y square cos square alpha, minus g upon 2y square cos square alpha. You put the answer, this whole thing will go up, negative will become plus because of the modulus sign, and your answer is 2u square cos square alpha upon g. Option is A, right? Option is A. I'll repeat myself. If you have the form y equal to x square by 4a, okay, then the LR is given by a mod of C of y, the coefficient of y upon coefficient of x square. Okay, but if you have this form, you'll have the answer. The LR will be given by coefficient of x upon coefficient of y square. Okay, let's see this also. Let's see this question as well over here. What is this form? X equals to y square upon 4a. In this case, square is over here and x is the subject. Okay, answer is what? For latus rectum, check coefficient of x upon coefficient of y square. In this case, c of x is how much? 1. Right here 1. C of y square is how much? A. Right here A. Answer is what? 1 by A. What is the answer? 1 by A. Okay, this is little bit overlapping in nature. Let me erase this. I'll write it over here, okay? This is given by C of x upon C of y square. Coefficient of x upon coefficient of y square, 1 by A. That's your answer. Check. So option C, right? Option C. Are you getting it? For parabola, how do you find lattice rectum? This is the form. For x square equals to x square by 4 equals to y, and x equals to y square by 4a. Both results are there. Use it. Next, we will move on to the trick number 5, sir. Trick number 5, sir. Now, equation of axis. Now, in that case, try to make a linear form of the vector of the variable as subject. Check here. We have 3y equals to x square minus 4x plus 10. Now, if the given function we are able to make linearly in form of y as subject, simply differentiate this. Excuse me. Let me write it over here, because let's get so 3y equals to x square minus 4x plus 10. Okay, so we have to differentiate this with respect to x and treat y equals to a constant. Y equal to a constant. Now differentiate. You'll have 0 over here. Okay, you'll have this value as 2x minus 4. This will be again 0. Take 2 common. X minus 2. This is 0. Now x minus 2 equal to 0 is your answer. Option is C. The equation of the axis of the parabola. This is your answer. Can you see this over here? Is it possible for you to see? Can I write it again over here? 1 second, guys. Treat y equal to a constant C. Clear? No, same trick is written over here also for you guys to understand, and I've given in the text format as well. Next, trick number 6, sir. Trick number 6 is on ellipse. Now this is very beautiful. You'll see. We have a given form like this. We are looking for eccentricity. Okay. How do you solve this question, sir? In 10 seconds. Check here. Very simple. There will be a root. Okay. You'll write 1 minus. Now, we have two coefficients over here. One for x square, one for y square. Whichever is larger, listen to me, whichever is larger, whether it is for x square or y square, doesn't matter. Whichever is larger, keep in the denominator. Why, sir? Otherwise, it will become negative, no? If you have smaller over here, it will become negative. So, keep it in the, whatever is larger, keep in the denominator, okay? A smaller one, you keep it over here. What is the answer? 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. What is the answer? Root of 3 by 2. Check this out. Same. So what's the logic for this? Simply, whatever is the larger coefficient of x square or y square, that in the denominator, rest will be in the numerator, the other one, and 1 minus form will be coming. Clear? This is the coefficient of your x square, and this is the coefficient of your y square. How to remember this trick? Very simple, sir. The larger coefficient will come in the denominator. Clear? Okay. So LR, this is the ellipse eccentricity. Okay. Next we'll have LR also. Now how do you solve this question? Same approach, sir. If I'm looking for LR, first of all, it will be always positive. Okay, sir. You write over here 2 into whichever is smaller, keep over here. Smaller one, which is smaller over here, check. This is smaller, no? The smaller one will come over here, and whichever is larger, that will come in the root. So this you check. This will come over here. So what happens if it was 9x square and 4y square? Answer will remain as same. Answer will not change. Okay, because whichever is larger, the larger value will come over here. Smaller will go to the numerator. What is the answer? 8 upon 3. What's the answer? 2 into 4 is 8 upon root 9 will be 3. Only positive because it is a length. It is a length of lattice rectum. So answer will be what? Option A. Previous one I gave you the result, right? Yeah. I did not give you the result. Root 3 by 2. Sorry. Option C, guys. Forgive me. Option C is the previous one's answer. Clear? So trick 7 is also clear, right? 8 by 3. Option A. Next. Trick number 8. Okay, same result I have taken over here also, just for reference. trick number 8. Okay. The equation is given in this form. It's a hyperbola. It's a hyperbola. Then it is going to be, what's the eccentricity? In this case, don't worry about anything. Simply write like this: 1 minus a by b. Why a by b, sir? This is a, this is b. That's it. Sorry, 1 plus, no. Forgive me. It is hyperbola, right? Hyperbola always 1 plus a plus b. What is a here? A is this, b is this. Okay, check this out. You'll have 1 plus 16 by 3. So you'll have 19 by 3 in the root. That's your answer. Option D. That's your answer. So if you solve this question, it will take too much of your time. Are they P by Q or not? Listen to me. Let me know in the comment section. Are they P by Q or not of conic section? Yes, they are, sir. Okay. So, and conic section can come for 2 marks. Conic section can come for 2 marks also. That's why I've taken these many tricks from the conic section. So I've done my analysis, I've done my research, and based upon that, I have picked these top 10 tricks which will help you understand and solve the questions of PU1 syllabus. So if you want more such sessions, what are you gonna do? Very simple. Give me that in the comment section. Do not undermine the power of comment section, because this is the only way we both communicate. You let me know, I'll reply to your comments. And of course, for appreciation, for showing your love, give me a thumbs up, give me a like in this particular video. Okay, then only I get to know that, okay, you guys are actually appreciating and this video is adding a value to your preparation. Then only I'll get to know. So if you are here watching my session, give me a like. I will know that, okay, this video here added a value to my bachcha's preparation. So I have to make more such content. Getting my point? So are you able to relate with me what I'm trying to say? Yes. Next is the last 2 tricks of, answer is clear, right? Same approach, A by B. Okay, A by B. Now the last 2 tricks from the chapter binomial theorem. Have you seen the question like this? Yes, sir. The combination of AP with binomial theorem. So if you have expansion of 1 plus y power n, 1 plus x power n, doesn't matter. Okay. In that expansion, they are saying that there are terms. The terms are rth term. The terms are r plus 1th term or r plus 2th term. We have terms like this in AP. What are the terms over here? The coefficients. The terms of the AP are the coefficient of the expansion over here. If you expand the 1 plus y power n using the binomial theorem, the coefficients of 5th term, 6th term, 7th term are in AP. They are saying that coefficient of these terms are in AP. Then how would you find the value of n? How do you find the value of n? Very simple. There is a result based of which gives a relation between the r and n. What is r over here? R is the first term of the AP that is given over here. What is r? R is the not common ratio. It is the first term of the AP which is given over here. So r is given by, check this out, it is n plus minus root of n plus 2 by 2. Okay, now if you solve it, you will get what? 2r minus n equals to plus minus root of n plus 2 whole square. 2r minus n the whole square will be equal to what? N plus 2. Solve it, you'll get the answer like this in this particular case. What is it? R value is in this case 5, no? So 2 into 5, 10 minus n the whole square, and this is going to be what? Simply n plus 2. Here's the answer. 10 minus n the whole square equals to n plus 2. Simplify, you'll get a quadratic. Answer is 7 and 14. Answer is 7 and 14, option B. Option B. Trick number 9 for your KCET, examination, which can be based upon the PYQs or the questions coming this year. Here it is, the answer is option B. Did I give you the answer for the previous one? Yeah, D was the previous one. So trick 9 is done. Should I start the trick number 10? Should I start the trick number 10? Let me know in the comment section right now. I know it's a recorded video, but I watch your comments. So let me know, should I start or end at trick number 9 only? Should I reveal trick number 10? Yes. When you see the trick number 10, you will say this is actually a PYQ, sir. This here, trick number 10 is actually a PYQ, sir. Have you seen questions like this? C0, 2C1, 3C2, n plus 1, Cn. This kind of question comes in your KCET. Yes. So based upon that, this trick I have taken out from the chapter binomial theorem. Getting my point? Okay, superb. So they have given a binomial expansion of this simple expansion 1 plus x power n, c0 plus c1 x power n, and so on. So in this question we're going to apply what? We are going to apply what? We are going to apply our substitution method. Okay, now let's see that n value 0 will not make any sense. At least 1 or 2 we can try. So let's try n value as 2. N value as 2. Okay, sir. If I try n value as 2, what will happen to this? Please check. So I'll get this as, for n value as 2, this thing will become, expansion will become C naught plus what is this going to be? I'll have these three terms only, no? C naught plus 2C1, right? So it'll become what? 2C1, correct, no? 2 into C1 over here plus 3 into 2C2, correct, no? So the answer will be what? C naught is going to be 1. 2 into 2C1 is how much? 2C1 is nothing but 2. Excuse me guys, 1 second. I hope this is clear. 1 second. 2C1, and this is going to be what? 2 into 2 plus 3 into 2C2 is going to be again 1. I hope you all know how to find NCR, right? NCR is given by NCR. 1 second, sir. I'll help you. NCR formula: n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. Correct, na? That's NCR formula. So if you apply that, you'll get 2C1 as 2, 2C2 as 1. Okay. So we get 1 plus 4 plus 3. Answer is going to be 8. Answer is going to be 8 over here. Now, which option is suitable? Same n that you chose over here, put it in the options. So first option you check. Option will be what? 2 power n is 2. So 2 power 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 2. 2 power 2 minus 1 is 2 power 1 only, so 2. We get 4 over here, answer is 8. So this is a suitable option, sir. This is a suitable option, sir. What did we do? We put n value as 2 in the expansion, we get only 3 terms. Check here, if you put n value as 2, you'll get 0th term, first term and second term, okay? That's how we get. So basically the coefficient is for the constant term, then like we get to the x square. So the coefficient I've taken as n value as 2, getting the answer for 8. Hence, the given expansion over here is equal to what? This general form, 2 power n minus 1 into n plus 2. That's your answer. Putting n value as 2. Getting it? So these were your top 10 tricks. These were your top 10 tricks from the chapter PU1. If you want more of these, let me know in the comment section. But that is it for the session today. Thanks for listening me in this particular video. Again, join back for another session of mathematics with me on Deeksha, Karnataka. I'm your Ankit Sir, here to help you, here very much committed to help you in every way possible for your preparation of PU2 and KCET. Let me know if you have anything to say to me in the comment section. I hope to really see you again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.